Hi, my name's Nick, and I'm going to be telling you and showing you how to use Ozempic and sharing a little bit about my experience on how it's worked so far.
How long have you been taking Ozempic?
Around about 7 to 8 weeks, so almost just short of 2 months. Hey,
What dose are you on?
you can actually see on the box here, it's 0.25 mg over there and 0.5 mg. This is actually the lowest dose you can get. So for the first 4 doses, you'll probably be 0.25. Then you go to 0.5. I'm about to take my third 0.5 dose. For me, the effect only really kicked in after about 4 weeks once you go onto the zero point 0.5.
And what kind of results are you seeing?
Quite significant weight loss, quite significant loss of appetite. Um, I'm a comfort eater, and that's just disappeared. Don't have the munchies, don't need to snack at all. Can easily get through a day on one meal and not even one big meal. I don't feel like I'm starving, I just feel like I'm not hungry. Um, I'm someone who will normally buy a candy bar on the average day, and now I sort of will go into a store, almost like reach out to the candy bar and then feel, wow, I don't actually feel like one. Also, meals that I would normally eat everything on the plate, I'm now eating maybe half of what's on the plate.
Well, those are some positive experiences. Let's see. Are you seeing any side effects?
Um, a little bit of heartburn, although I must say I didn't have it in the beginning. I'm not sure if it's due to something else. I have been eating some spicy food the last day or so, but over 7 to 8 weeks, I'm not sure if I've had heartburn. Um, Nausea, maybe at a very low rate, like 1 out of 10, like slight nausea.
Have you had any other positive experiences? Like some people have experienced not having the urge to go gambling anymore.
I'm not really addicted to anything, but I would say the comfort food thing has just disappeared. And, I have um, tried for quite a while to eat properly and exercise, and now I'm eating a lot less. I must say my motivation to exercise has been a lot more consistent, I guess, than in the past. And I think while I've been on Ozempic, I've swum the longest distances I've swum in years. I don't know if that helps one's motivation, that maybe you're perhaps slightly more focused. I'm not sure if it's that.
Has it been hard to get Ozempic?
Very hard. So I got my first prescription in South Africa in October. So I got the prescription in October. I only got the Ozempic in April, I think, March or April. So it took about 6 months to find a pharmacy that had it. The pharmacy that did have it only had one box. When I came to America, I went to a pharmacy in Modesto. They had it. So, although I was told by my doctor you're not going to be able to find it, so it is still scarce.
How much did it cost?
$800, worth
Okay.
every penny.
Now, how do you use it?
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to use it. Let's do this. Right, so this is the box, and when you open it, I found the instructions a little bit not very intuitive, so I'm going to show you basically just how it works, right? So it comes with this pen. There's the pen. You see it's got a reading there of 0, and then it also comes with another box which has these things in it. They've just fallen out now, but there are 6 of these doses, and that's one of the doses, right? So I'm going to show you how to use it. Can you just hold it maybe over here? Just from that angle. Okay, so this is what you want to do. You open the pen, right? You'll see this sort of surface, right? Then you open this. See, there's a needle at the center over there, and that needle's going to go, it's going to perforate that membrane. So what you do is you then just screw it on. Right, now that it's screwed on, you remove this plastic casing. Right, then there's another plastic casing, so you remove that. On this particular thing, you can actually already see there's a little drop that's come out there, but you're supposed to turn this. Now can you see there's a thing over there? If you turn over here on this end to there, that is supposed to bring the drop out, but the drop's already out. And now we're going to set it to a dose of 0.5. So we turn, keep turning. That's 0.5, keep turning. There's 0.5. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to inject it into my upper leg, and I'm going to depress it for about 6 seconds. So in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There it is. Okay, and so we then reverse the process, put this back on, put that back on, screw it off. And then you're good to go for another week. So I'll chat to you guys in about a week's time about a little bit in more detail about the effects, specifically the amounts of weight loss and the degree of appetite change and when it actually kicks in exactly. So I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you guys next time.